Okay, this is the part A, the step 3, where we're using a stronger magnet. I've determined that these small magnets are stronger. Um, it's smaller, so I don't know what the effect is going to be. So let's try this. Watch the deflection of the meter. That's a slow. Uh, that's a slow velocity. And uh, let's see. You can see that there is a deflection. If I move it slowly, it's going to about, it's hard to tell from my angle, about 200 on either side. Now let me do it very quickly. I'll hold this down and I'll push. And again, it almost deflects, uh, pegs the meter. All right, that's a different magnet. All right, let's